co-working is one of the most powerful trends that have just emerged out of India. And when we started this back in 2016 at Innovate, we realized one thing, that Indians are Garfields. We hate Mondays. We have a serious disorder called the Monday blues. You go to a cyber hub in Gurgaon and you see such sloppy faces. People hate their workspaces because they were mundane, dull. Kabhi AC nahi chalta tha, Wi-Fi wasn't working. And we realized one thing, that there's a huge opportunity. Why do these corporate employees only have access to these grade A facilities? Why can't startups, why can't freelancers, why can't these small NGOs go for these frantically beautiful offices? We spend more than 50% of our awake hours in offices, and offices were mundane, uninspiring. And with Innovate, what we tried to do was that create an environment where you really feel like going. On a Sunday night, you should actually be excited that I'm going to work on a Monday, and on a Friday, you should be actually feeling sad that I will not be able to access offices. So I think for us, co-working was the entire idea that for a country that wants to grow at 7% year on year, we really need people who love their work. And then that was the whole story of how we started co-working. And I think co-working is a myth. It's all shared at offices. We realized one thing when we started. We had a small center in Connaught Place, and contrary to WeWork and Regus, I hail from a Punjabi family and we had no money. And when we started, we had an 80-seater small center in Connaught Place, and we realized that I as a company would not like to work with another company. We want separate spaces with common facilities, and that is a very scalable model, and enterprise is a sticky and revenue generating model for co-working centers. So I think what has happened, why co-working has taken up main stages post the Lehman era. In 2007, 8, 9, companies realized that almost 8 to 10% of their revenues was going into managing their offices. And that's a huge amount of blocked capital. Companies used to take their leases for 9 to 10 years. And that's a huge commitment that you give and especially in our era. Earlier, disruptions used to happen every 30 years. Now, micro disruptions, micro recessions have started coming in every 3 years, every 36 months. The sentiments of the market are changing, and because of that, there's a lot of contraction and expansion in the workforce count. And I've seen in 2016, we were only focused on freelancers, startups, and we realized that startups have a lot of crests and troughs. They go through a lot of boom and bust cycles, because of which our revenue was getting contracted or expanded because of them. So we realized one thing, that the best thing to do is go with an anchor tenant who gives us a 3-year lock-in at a good ARPU, and only enterprises can do that. In 2016, I remember I myself had gone to pitch to Asian Paints these large family offices, and they said, "Are you mad? Why would we like to work out of a co-working space?" And today we have clients like BBC, Pepsi, a lot of Fortune 500 companies are shifting towards co-working spaces. Just like to highlight this thing, that people are moving towards collaboration, and this is a perfect example in India, when I think co-working started 2015 in onwards, and we are, I think, some 11-12 co-working players, and we have a WhatsApp group, and I myself, like me and Karan, we talk a lot about how the entire industry is forming up. So I think the good part is competition has become very healthy. It has become very collaborative. The entire world, I truly believe that the entire world is changing, and the biggest reason is just last week, a large tech company just announced that they will not be hiring on the basis of merit or the degrees that the students have. And I think that is very critical. I have no MBA degree. मैं तो doctor हूँ. And I realized one thing, we've created one of the finest co-working companies in the country. And we realized that you do not need to be an MBA. You do not need to have any real estate background to do that. The idea is that education has become very, very decentralized and very, very interesting. And I think in going forward, this will impact at the consumption of co-working.